To create a MetaMask wallet in the Mises browser, start by opening the Mises browser on your device. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Mises store or the browser's extension section. Search for MetaMask and click on the MetaMask extension to initiate the installation process. After installing the MetaMask extension, click on the MetaMask icon in the top right corner of the browser to open the wallet. You will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. To create a new wallet, click on Create a Wallet and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. You will be asked to create a password and given a seed phrase. The seed phrase is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to store the seed phrase in a safe and secure location, as it can be used to access your funds. Once you have set up your wallet, you can start using it to send and receive cryptocurrency. To do this, click on the Send or Receive button and follow the prompts to enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to send. It is essential to note that MetaMask is a non-custodial wallet, meaning that you are responsible for the security of your funds. Make sure to keep your seed phrase and password safe and secure, and never share them with anyone. In addition to creating a wallet, MetaMask also provides a range of features and tools to help you manage your cryptocurrency. These include the ability to view your account balance, transaction history, and asset portfolio. You can also use MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications and access a range of decentralized finance services. To get the most out of your MetaMask wallet, make sure to regularly update your browser and wallet to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and functional MetaMask wallet in the Mises browser and start using cryptocurrency with confidence.